When it comes to getting free traffic to your online store, you have to put in the work yourself. Because if you can't pay for ads and you're going to go for the free methods, your time is your form of payment to get those people to your website. So you have to make sure that you invest enough time for you to do all the activities that you have to do to drive free traffic to your website. So it can be things like creating your content on social medias and using that call to action to point them back to your website. It could be just making sure that you optimize your site. You can create blogs that you can then direct people to your product pages. You can use the description of your store, which has to be search engine optimized. You can also use like alt text edits for your photos, the images that you're using for your products, to make sure that they're picked up as a SEO with Google, right? So you have to do all this work to make sure that you get that traffic coming to your website for free. So you have to be creating so much content, pointing it to your website, and creating so many blogs to point again back to your website, right? So when it comes to free traffic, you have to do a lot of work to point those people to your website to drive that traffic, right? So I don't know if that's free because you're using your time to to get those people there, right? So time is money as well. So I don't know, is there something called really free? Because if you're using your time to do all this stuff, is it really free? Because time is money. But those are the simple ways that you can drive free traffic to your website. So I hope that helps. Follow for more tips on how to build, market, and scale your online business.